Hello everyone and welcome to this Maths Cure lesson. Today we're looking at section 8, lesson 11, and today's lesson is on simple interest. Okay, so before you watch this lesson, make sure you've watched lesson 9, because in that lesson there will be a key concept of finding x% of y, which we will need in this lesson. Okay, so in this lesson there's two types of interest that we need to know. Simple interest, which is in this video, and the next video we're going to look at compound interest, which is more complex. So just simple interest in this video. So what even is interest? So interest is money paid in exchange or paid for borrowing or using another person's or organization or company's money. Interest is calculated as a percentage of the money borrowed. So an example of this is I put some money in the bank could use that money, and because they're using my money, they'll give me some money extra every year that my money is in the bank account. Okay, hope that makes sense. So here's an example of a question you could get in the exam. Max invests £400 in a bank account which pays 5% simple interest per annum, which is a fancy word for year. How much will Max get from interest in 10 years? So what we have to do here is find x% of y. So x%, 5% of y, which is £400. So first of all, if you remember how to find x% of y, we have to write the percentage as a decimal. So 5% is 0.05. We do that by dividing by 100. So 5% of £400 equals 0.05 times 400, which is equal to £20. So that tells us Max gets £20 interest, or the bank pays him £20 extra every year. Okay, so that's not our answer though, because it's asking us how much will he get from interest in 10 years. So it's £20 per year. So 10 years is 10 times 20, which is going to be £200. Okay, and that is our final answer. So here's a question for you to try. Julia puts £1,500 in an account which gives 4.5% interest per annum, or per year. How much will she have in her account in 4 years? Okay, how much will she have in her account in 4 years? Pause the video, give this a go, and then I'll go through the answer. Or if you're not sure, I'll just go through it now. Okay, so the answer. 4.5%, okay, we have to write that as a decimal, equals 0.045. So we need to find out how much interest she gets every year. So 4.5% of £1,500. So that's finding x% of y equals 0.45 times £1,500, which is equal to £67.50. Okay, so that's how much she gets in interest every year. So she's got the money in the account for 4 years. So £67.50 times 4 is equal to £270. Okay, that's how much she'll get from interest in 4 years. Is that the answer? No. The question is asking us how much will she have in her account in 4 years. So what we need to find out is how much she'll have in interest, and then we have to add it on to the original amount, because it's asking us how much will she have in her overall account, not just the interest. So by the end of 4 years, she'll have £270 interest plus the original amount, which is 1,500. So at the end of 4 years, she'll have £1,770. Hope you got that right, and good try if you did. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. If you have any questions at all, please ask in the comments. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you want. And good luck with your studies.